Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Mind Flayer from Stranger Things. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with the Mind Flayer from Stranger Things, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up, and we're going to curve it right up to here. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve this way. Then I'm going to bring it back down to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to go up and then back out like this. Now the Mind Flayer is going to have lots of sharp teeth, so we're going to put lots of sharp teeth all the way around here, and some along the top too. Then I'm going to make some just kind of long, kind of broken lines right around here for some different details on it. He's got a lot of kind of crazy details all over him. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down like this, and another one's going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to make another little line that's going to curve in, and it's going to curve in. I'm going to make some more that are going to curve down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a long line that's just going to kind of curl down. I'm going to put some kind of little spikes at the end. Little line that curves around here, and I'm just going to curve this line back here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. Do the same thing over here. We're going to go up, and then we're going to bring it down. Make some long kind of crazy claw-like finger shapes on here. Do the same thing out here. We're just going to make some long kind of crazy finger-like shapes. They're just going to go down and up. Make another one out here. Then we're going to bring them up. I'm going to make these lines kind of wiggly and wavy. Then I'm going to bring them right into the body here. Starting here, I'm going to make another one. It's just going to go down. It's going to curve to here. We'll go out, and then we'll make another line that's going to come down. Do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then down. We'll go out, and then we'll just bring it down. I'll make this line come out this way. I'm going to add some more lines and some more of these kind of crazy little toes. Make little lines that go out and then come back. And then back here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. We'll add some more kind of crazy toes, and we'll go up to make it look like there are more legs in the back. Make another one that's going to go back like this. A couple more little crazy toes. Now I'm just going to kind of come in here and add some little details. He's got a lot of details on him, and we don't want to have to put every single one in, so I'm just going to make a lot of long broken lines on his body like this. I'm just going to make a bunch of them. Some of these spots where you see some curves, you can maybe add some little lines that come across. I'm going to add some different little broken lines all around here. And we're just going to make some different little lines everywhere on here. Just going to go ahead and add little lines all over. Just going to put them all around the toes and everything. And this will just kind of give him a lot of texture on his body. And you can put some going across here, up and down, kind of wherever you want to. And there you go. Here is the Mind Flayer from Stranger Things. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.